My name is Benjamin Stockton. I'm a urologist here at Arizona Urology Specialist. I grew up in Houston, Texas. I played on the baseball team in high school, went to Texas A&M for college where I got a degree in electrical engineering, and then went to medical school at the Baylor College of Medicine in Houston, left there for my surgery training at the University of Chicago, then took a one-year fellowship in minimally invasive surgery and robotics at the University of Pittsburgh, then took a job in Michigan, a smaller town in southwest Michigan where I worked for 15 years. Why did I choose to become a doctor? Originally, it wasn't part of my plan. My father is a civil engineer, and so I got my undergraduate degree in engineering, electrical engineering, and actually took my first job helping to design implantable cardiac defibrillators. And at that job, I learned that I really liked medicine. I liked learning about this. I actually went to medical school with the intention of being a cardiac surgeon, and then that just morphed over time and I ended up in urology, which has been just the most wonderful thing. I love my position in urology. My area of specialty has always been urologic cancers, namely prostate, kidney, and bladder. I like to tell patients that's what I fall asleep reading about at night, and so I really enjoy the treatment of those diseases where we get to help patients through these very challenging times. My patient care philosophy is very straightforward. My patient care philosophy is simply to treat every patient like they were a family member. And that's something I take very seriously. And I think if you do that as a care provider, you really do the right thing. You do the right operations, the right diagnostic tests. It shapes my entire day. Every day is centered around that philosophy. I have a lot of hobbies, and they're just hobbies. Obviously spending time with my wife and one-year-old baby are the most important, but seeing my 3 older kids is just wonderful in my life. That's such an important thing for me. Outside of that, it's gardening and music and sports and everything that makes life fun and good.